In a stunning display of technological prowess, China has introduced a series of groundbreaking advancements in transportation technology that have sent shockwaves through the global community, particularly catching the attention of the United States. These next-generation innovations, ranging from high-speed rail systems to futuristic personal vehicles, demonstrate China's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern transit solutions. China recently introduced the world's first suspended maglev line, a revolutionary skytrain that operates using neodymium magnets, allowing it to remain levitated indefinitely without an external power source. Unlike traditional maglev trains, this innovative model travels approximately 10 meters above the ground and can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. The train's design leverages a frictionless environment, requiring minimal electricity to propel itself forward. Developed by Jiangxi University of Science and Technology, the maglev train is highly efficient, with its construction costing only a tenth of a typical subway system and generating very low levels of electromagnetic radiation. This advanced transportation system represents a significant leap in sustainable travel, combining high efficiency with reduced environmental impact. The line's initial phase has proven successful, and local transport authorities have announced plans to extend the track to 7.5 kilometers. Upon completion, the upgraded line is expected to support a maximum operating speed of 120 kilometers per hour, enhancing the region's public transportation network. The suspended maglev line not only demonstrates China's innovation in magnetic levitation technology, but also offers a glimpse into the future of public transit. By minimizing ground-level infrastructure, this system reduces the land use typically required for railways and subways, offering a more adaptable solution for densely populated cities. China has also introduced the world's first floating SUV, the YangWang U8. This vehicle has become the most expensive electric vehicle to be mass-produced in China, with a price tag of $50,000. Thanks to its hydraulic system, the U8 can raise and lower itself by up to 150 millimeters. It also features a tank turn capability, allowing it to rotate 360 degrees while stationary. The base version of the SUV can ford water up to 1 meter deep and up to 1.4 meters in the off-road edition. If the vehicle becomes submerged deeper in water, an emergency floating mode is activated. In this mode, the internal combustion engine shuts off, windows close, the air conditioning switches to internal circulation, and the sunroof opens, providing an emergency exit. The SUV can remain afloat for up to 30 minutes, moving forward at a speed of 3 kilometers per h. The manufacturer emphasized that this feature is intended only for emergency situations, such as floods, not for crossing lakes and rivers. After activating the emergency floating mode, the vehicle must be taken to a service center for inspection. Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer NIO has unveiled a remarkable new feature for its flagship sedan, the ET9, emphasizing its dedication to pioneering automotive technology. The ET9's innovative capability allows it to shake off accumulated snow from its exterior, much like a dog shaking off water. This unique function is enabled by the vehicle's sophisticated intelligent chassis system, which integrates advanced sensors and actuators to monitor and react to environmental conditions. The intelligent chassis of the ET9 is a feat of modern engineering, combining adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, and precise body control systems. When snow or ice builds up on the car's surface, the chassis system detects this through its array of sensors. In response, it activates a sequence of finely tuned movements, ranging from subtle vibrations to more vigorous oscillations of the car's body. These movements are meticulously calibrated to effectively dislodge snow and ice, thereby maintaining the vehicle's aerodynamic profile and ensuring optimal visibility for the driver. Intelligent parking robots have revolutionized the way vehicles are parked, offering a solution that is both highly efficient and incredibly precise. One notable example of this innovation is the fully autonomous parking system introduced by Jimus. This system marks a major leap forward in parking technology by redefining how vehicles are stored and retrieved. The parking robots utilize advanced software and algorithms, allowing them to park vehicles smartly and effectively. Equipped with robotic arms, these machines can handle vehicles with great precision, while their driving units ensure smooth movement within the parking area. The process is user-friendly. Drivers simply input basic information on a screen located in a designated area, and the robots take care of the rest, parking the vehicle accurately without further human intervention. Furthermore, the introduction of intelligent parking robots represents a broader trend towards automation and smart city solutions. The T-Flight maglev Hyperloop, developed by the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC, is set to revolutionize high-speed transportation. In recent tests, the train achieved an impressive speed of 387 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest trains globally. This technological marvel uses magnetic levitation, or maglev, to lift and propel the train above the tracks, reducing friction and allowing for greater speeds. Unlike conventional trains that rely on wheels and rails, maglev technology eliminates physical contact, significantly enhancing both speed and energy efficiency. The T-Flight's ambitious goal is to exceed the speeds of commercial airplanes, which could transform long-distance travel by providing a faster, more efficient alternative. This development is part of a broader effort by China to advance its transportation infrastructure and assert its leadership in cutting-edge technology. Additionally, the T-Flight maglev Hyperloop's design focuses on safety and comfort, aiming to deliver a smooth and quiet ride by minimizing the vibrations and noise typically associated with high-speed rail travel. The potential applications of this technology extend beyond just passenger travel. It could also revolutionize freight transport, reducing delivery times and logistical costs on a global scale. Elon Musk first proposed a Hyperloop system for the US in 2013, but more than a decade later, Musk's vision has yet to see the light of day. One of the biggest companies in the industry, Virgin, shut down its own Hyperloop company, which most recently went by the name Virgin Hyperloop in 2023. Lastly, a Chinese innovator known for creating hoverboards has unveiled an impressive two-wheeled vehicle called Shane. Designed with a sleek, streamlined body, Shane is compact, roughly the size of a small crossover SUV, yet it offers impressive efficiency, safety, and interior spaciousness. The standout feature of Shane is its two large wheels, which give it remarkable maneuverability. The wheels enable the vehicle to rotate 360 degrees on the spot, offering unmatched flexibility. The innovative design maintains stability through a shifted center of gravity, ensuring the vehicle's body remains steady even during sharp acceleration or abrupt braking. This unique balancing capability prevents the vehicle from tipping over, making Shane both a practical and safe option for urban mobility. Shane's compact size and exceptional maneuverability are particularly suited for navigating crowded urban environments, while its futuristic design makes it an eye-catching addition to the growing market of alternative electric vehicles. The hoverboard creator's expertise in balance and movement control has been fully leveraged to create a vehicle that offers a new level of driving experience. The creator aims to address the increasing demand for efficient, environmentally friendly urban transport solutions with this latest innovation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.